I say welcome. This is Carl HY from HY Tech. This is supposed to be my last video of the year. Last video of the year. No, I'm not going to post any video again. And I'm at least making which channel posting. So Ghana we day. And in this video, I'm going to talk about some small things like small things they go on for this channel inside, and maybe the aim of this channel for maybe probably next year, which is 2024. The be as a new year be by yana me make it time mistake with the year. Most of 2024 to 2023. Me sure say nyame make those mistakes. Most people are making those mistakes. Now, let me tell you some small thing. The journey of this channel, me share this channel I say. And I'm sharing this channel I say some few months ago. But at the beginning of this channel, they thought that we already have our head inside as Ghanaians now. We won't make the money, we won't make the leisure and all those things. But Charlie, me share channel we are sick of after me getting my paycheck, and crying. I said the things that kept me going and that kept me doing more videos and posting. It's really not the money. I know that it sounds very capped, but it's not capped. Comments BTC say. Comments when you such people and I say my way and I'm a vim. Initially there. Now that my teams I want to make money online. That is the sole reason why me share channel we ask, because you know with him, you know how we do it. We need the money for more things, So him say Ghana within the Ghana issue, Charlie. So when I so you money or making money online. While when him say him see we will be a content creator and I say know some channel be and as when you're content creator and I say what try to find ways to make money online. And I say be a when you be a person just anything illegal and name and kick account as up a legit way of making money online. Why would him say the struggles, the stress that they for inside? Charlie, it'll be easy. Sure. So I started this channel with the aim of making money. But along the line, after getting some paychecks, buying nice my relaxing because I know say okay, at least me be a man this couple amount of money. Whether I relax or not, and this YouTube thing, I have a farm, what I say, Gusua Edia, a bingini, nature, neighbor. So I relaxed kakra, but the thing that kept me going from that point in view, it's not really about making money. It's about helping people. Yes. And me what will be an answer will be commenting to say. Last time we'll be commenting this comment or say or my video be buano. Now I have some problem be. And the way I felt inside Nankasano, I felt really grateful to say I have been able to help someone. And for now, it's not really about money being. I don't really care about the money. I do because I want to do and help people solve their problem. At least the problem that they are having. At least also meaning say I have been able to impact the world. And the best side of this thing is I get to meet new people. I get to talk with new people. People message me, talk to me, tell me their stories and things. And that's very good. And initially, I didn't have this experience. I don't have people coming to me every day telling me their problems. But it feels good to be able to solve problems. I'll talk about a year you give away I just say my post to pull a year community one to beat my vote. And it be a Friday, next week Friday, you decide on what you want to do for the giveaway. Cause me post to near maybe Mr. Mukonku. That giveaway we and I remember how I'll choose it and I'll discuss it in the next video about the giveaway Fridays. And I didn't be crying also make a one because this video is supposed to be normal talk now. And okay. I was doing some video about the journey of this channel, how this channel has been so far. And I think that those videos are very good for content creators. Teach you more beginners to some hey we free me when so sad So I'll still be doing those content and me post to kakra about those contents kakra. And will be some question about the method of payment I use for a year payment, you know. And we can say a bank. Now a bank if anything a bank transaction and can say a bank. Okay. And a minu want a check and a bank transfer. So I use the bank transfer because I don't think say name cha over my YouTube fast and new scanner or request for check. Now even normal penalty verification for this channel crampono almost send this letter now. If it's in the maybe the class me young miss kai. No my call request say my call request almost send me check. Now checking the banner could do both one day. Ghana we did. So for that question, I used a bank statement. May share down me by live that I will YouTube. So may try next year. So me by live kakra ne edim komo kakra. And now is so no. I'll be working. I'll be dropping more videos in team. So when you subscribe, or more than subscribe to this channel. You know that I say I'm not about perfect or fairy tales. May get the meet me. Aja, to be trying my best to say me the meeting maybe. And what question for be what question be a person be some personally and I say all the two we are say with me that twice and be some question. Say only question be as also there. Then I will see you in the next one. And that will be asi. Why we am subscribers? Why we video we? Why was subscribe before? Me that was a pa nyamisha nyamison come home. Na afisu so nyame fa yindu afifu for me. Anyway, Madam, I say thank you for watching this and see you in the next one. Hey, brief my mom and I'm a bomidi. And I read Madam Medica. Bomidi, mommy. Anyway, Madam, I say.